Desmond playing with his keys. Kind of bright lights. You can see the short hair now in comparison to the long. Sticking out. Looks good. Dad cut it. Looks very nice. Do you have the cord to Mommy's camera? Where are you going? Gonna go play with something else? Play with something else? Is that your Jack in the Box? Got toys everywhere. Oh. Oh, do you know how to do it? You got it open! You got it open! Good job! Oh, that's yuck yuck. No. How about a book? You want a book? You want to read a book? Where's your fire truck? Where's the fire truck? How about the radio? Where's the radio? Where's the radio? Yeah, there's the radio. Good job. Where's the fireplace? No, where's the fireplace? Yeah, you hear the shower. That's Daddy. Where's the fireplace? Where's the fireplace? Say Mama. I don't care right now. Can you say Mama? 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 Yummy. Desmond. Hi. Hi.